So here I'm discuss topic called how to make your perfect logo. So if the user anybody create the logo call, we can use in Photoshop, Illustrator, and CorelDRAW. But we can use it for our system market person that is called canva.com. This is we can make for images, cover photos for social media, and email address and pamphlets. We can make for using for this option. Here we can log in. One is called username and password. That is called your Gmail and password. Second option here, automatically we can log in Facebook and Google Plus. No need required for the sign up option. If you need sign up, add your details here one by one. Which purpose are you creating for? Sign up on your mail. Now, once login your account will be display will be like this. Here, create design. Here, see these all options. Suppose if you go to the brochure type, any brochures, see this one. A4 document, letterheads, magazine cover, certificate. If you show the certificate, if anybody create a certificate, they give the n number of samples. You make it on your certification. Now, just scroll up. First, make the logo. Write down logo default size is 500 by 500. So, first of all here, just click this option here, logo. Where I'm open the Canva, click for option call is logo here. Now, the logo option will be came. What the pixel of 500 height, 500 will be width. Now, here in the left corner, they can show n number of samples here. These are all free. You can use only for free versions. You can use only for free versions. Just see this one. Here, just scrolling here. Logo will be uploaded this one. See. Right now, if you select any one logo here, see n number of logos. Scroll. So you can go. See what's showing here? Free. Always we can using the free versions only. Now just scroll down. So I can select any one option here. So I'm go with this one. See here, I'm taking this logo for you're making my own logo. Just click here. See this one. What's showing here? Light up. See this one. I can write in for here. Light up replace. I'm writing for. See, and give the name call is Rajesh. So here. Scroll down. This is, if important is there, you can put in the option. Or else, if it's important, you can keep this. Or else, just delete it. Clear? And now this is my name. Suppose if you okay this one, we can keep it on the this option. Or else, we can add the Google images with PNG only. Which one? PNG only. Suppose see this one, I can change this size. I should finish. Now here I can go to the Google, see the tool. I'm writing for digital marketing. Go to images. How to select your digital marketing icons? Go to images. In the option call is tools. Click for size. Option call is icon. Now, in this lot of icons are there. So just you will be scrolling here. See this one. But here we can mention for the PNG only. Why? Because PNG called transparent image. Now I'm scrolling here. Just I'm scroll up down. So a number of logos are there. In this, I'm selecting for this option Now I'm already added here. Just click for upload. Just I'm upload this option here. Just E drive. Select it. Upload where? Browsers to desktop. Desktop to upload by Canva. Once uploading done, just click here. You can use bulb and along with your icons. It will be like this. Suppose not like this one. This one. Done. See here. This is digital Rajesh. I'm adding with my icons with the social media. Else here. We can use a number of images. Here, I'm adding one option. You can use only for PNG image. Why? Because if your background color we can display along with your logo. That is called take by PNG. That is called transparent image. Suppose I'm taking for any image without transparent. Now see the screen. Just here without transparent. Here. This is the showing. Which highlighting? Background or logo? Logo will be highlighting. You can highlight for background on your logo. That is how we take for transparent images. Now if you changing this color, this background color. Now you can check here. Any color you can select here. Which one? Maybe here. This one. Your interest. Anything. Clear? I'm selecting for this option. Suppose if you're changing for this color for this Rajesh. Now here. This will be there. Now here a number of colors are there. You select it. This is your color. You go with the red. It is good? No. So we can go with the your wish color, any color. Green. So I'm go with the white. So clear? So this is I'm making for logo here based on your layout option. This one is done. So after that, making your logo, just go to download. First of all, if you go to the printout for your logo, option call is PDF. Suppose you can show on your Facebook cover image. Select by the PNG. Click for download. Here you have one question. Sir, can a logo can I show my image also? You can add also. That is only for PNG. Will be like this. I will show you. Just scroll up. If you show any PNG image, so it like it's called for invitation for your something of a hand. So yeah, this is a person. This is a person picture. Can add it. Just click for. I can select for always PNG. Click for download. Is it clear? Any kind of logos or cover image from postings, YouTube thumbnails, YouTube cover image we can making by using Canva. Anything you can make in digital marketing persons using only for Canva, not using Photoshop. Right now, any companies asking for image making is much important. That is called your logo and you can making for your cover image also.